Depression is not open to your interpretation, guys. You cannot decipher the pain this illness brings unless you have experienced this demon firsthand. Secondly, if you've ever tried aligning depression with sadness, then I request you with folded hands that please do not think or even do that. They are not the same. Hi everyone. Welcome or welcome back. Now today's video is extremely special and very close to my heart because in this video I'll be talking about a book that talks about something which everybody refrains from talking about. Depression. Shaheen Bhatt calls it a biochemical disorder, and rightly so, because this is a clinical illness and needs a proper treatment. I will not review this work today because simply I do not want to. I just want to talk about my feelings. I want to share my feelings after I read this beautiful work. I just want to talk about what a person goes through while experiencing this demon. First of all, I really want to appreciate that how Shaheen Bhatt, after her long, tough, arduous and painful battle with depression, came up with this memoir. And she decided to raise awareness about this mental issue which has become a taboo and shouldn't succumb to the notion that people have of depression. She, through her book, is letting the world know that what a depressed person goes through, what is the degree of pain a depressed person has to suffer. While I was reading this book, it somehow made me connect to the author on so many emotional levels. I really loved when she clearly admitted that being a star daughter, she had all the privileges, luxuries and comforts growing up, yet she would feel hollow from inside. Because you know what, depression cannot be cured with luxuries. In the book came another point where I almost broke down is when Shaheen explains that despite knowing and understanding the pain, despite knowing the problem, she was helpless. She couldn't do anything about it, and that is where it hit so hard to me. And this is probably one of the toughest and painful parts of dealing with something of that sort. Despite wanting a change, you cannot make the change happen. You know, this was one such book wherein I couldn't put my highlighter down. This book had something to offer in each and every page. Shaheen Bhatt has made sure to hoard a lot of information in this book, because even if a person is not suffering from this mental illness, he or she should have a proper knowledge regarding the symptoms this illness brings with it. So she has not just written a novel per se, but she has also made it quite informative. So regardless of the fact that you've experienced this demon in the past, or you are going through depression now, or you haven't experienced it by God's grace, you should be reading this book 100%, because I think this world needs more and more acceptance towards mental illnesses. Don't you think so? You know what is the worst part of depression? Shaheen says that the worst part of depression is when you start feeling empty for no reason. You start feeling clutched for no reason. You lose interest in almost everything you enjoyed previously. Your body doesn't allow you to work. You stop working on yourself. And if only one could realize how painful these things are. I tell you what, to be very honest, when I glided through the pages, when I read this book actually, I didn't read Alia Bhatt's sister. I didn't read Mr. Bhatt's daughter or Mrs. Razdan's daughter for that matter. I just read a strong, beautiful, resilient girl who bravely and very strongly defeated this monster like depression. When Shaheen Bhatt talks about a phase wherein she tried committing suicide, I couldn't stop sobbing. I almost broke down. It was so painful to even read through those lines. Can you imagine how painful it would have been for her to experience or go through that entire cycle of depression, to experience that painful phase altogether? But hats off to her for showing a back arm to all those ill feelings, and finally she won the battle. Now another point where I completely went blank is when Shaheen asks a very legible question that I didn't ask to be born, why do I have to die? This question itself had so much of pain that now I can resonate that how depression kills a person, how it makes the person helpless, hopeless and all such painful things. You know, I genuinely want this society to understand the intensity of the mental illnesses the same way they consider any physical breakdown or upheaval, because when a person goes through mental breakdown, it becomes quite tough or difficult to pick up the bits and pieces which got lost in that painful process. So these were my feelings which I wanted to share with you people after I read this book. I preferred not to review or rate this work because I simply do not want to. I didn't feel like doing it. But yes, I definitely recommend each one of you who is watching this video who wants to raise awareness about mental issues in this society that please go place your order. You will get to learn a lot. Now what I have realized after reading this book that just by looking at someone or talking to them you cannot realize the pain or misery they are going through on day-to-day basis. But in that case, all you can do is just go and give them a tight hug and assure them that no problem lasts long and there's always a solution for all the problems in this world. Trust me, your efforts will count and will mean a lot to them. Also, if you liked the video, then please consider liking it, sharing, commenting if you have any query or suggestions, and also subscribing to my channel. Until then, be safe, do well, keep connected, and thanks for watching.